Hello Year 1, we're now on to lesson 4 in numbers to 100, and today we're looking at making number patterns. You should recognise this. Can anybody remember what it's called? That's right, it's our 100 square. That's right. Last week I think you were having a go at drawing a number square and filling in all the numbers. Keep practicing that if you found that tricky, to see if you can get all the numbers up to 100 in a 100 square. But today we're looking at this 100 square and we're looking at the line that's in yellow here. What can you tell me about this line in yellow? What can you tell me about those numbers? What patterns can you see in that yellow line? If you want to stop the video, stop it and see if you can say as many things as you can, and then we'll start it again and we'll see if we can find the same things together. Okay, so you've had a look at this line in yellow. Okay, let's look at some patterns. We can see the pattern, first of all, it's going up by 1. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. It's going up by 1. When we go from left to right, it's going up by 1. What else can you see? If you go the other way, it's going backwards. It's going down by 1. 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41. Well done. Another pattern is all the 10 numbers are the same. We've got 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40. Ooh, but then it changes. Why does it change to a 5? Why does it change to 5 tens? That's right, because when we have 4 tens and 9 ones, one more than 4 tens and 9 ones, we change the 9 ones into a 10 and we have 5 tens and 0 no ones. Well done. So lots of patterns in that line. Let's turn over and see what else we can find out about these numbers, and we're looking at number patterns. So in our Let's Learn, we've got a question here, and it says, what is 1 more than 42? So if I show you 42 in my tens and ones, there's 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, and there's 42. If I want to do one more, am I going to do one more of these tens or one more of the ones? Which, if I just want one more, that's right, I just need to put one more. And one more than 42, one more is 43, and the picture shows us here. Same amount of tens, but we've got one more in the ones, and we've got 43. 2 ones and 3 ones. And then Hannah's telling us here we can make a number pattern. Each number is one more than the number before. So our number pattern, which is what we saw on the other page with our 100 square, the number pattern is one more, 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 one more. And our smallest number is on this side, and our largest number, our greatest number, is on this side. So we're going one more every time. Now if we look at this picture, we're looking at less, and we're saying what is 1 less than 49? So here's our 4 tens. Let's see if we can get 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 4 tens. We want to do 1 less. So are we going to take away one of these, 1 10, or are we going to take away one of our ones? Which one are we going to do? Well done, that's right. We take one of these away, one of our ones, And we've now got 8, so 1 less than 49 is 48, and that's shown in this picture here. There's 49, 4 tens, 9 ones. We're going to say 1 less. It's still 4 tens, but it's 1 less from the ones, which is 8. So 1 less than 49 is 48. We can make a number pattern. Each number is how many less than the number before it. So we're starting here at 49, but if we look at our numbers, are they getting larger or smaller? Greater or less? They're going from greater to less. So they're not going one more, they're going one less. So each number is one less. So we're going 49, 1 less 48, 1 less 47, 1 less 46, 1 less 45, 1 less 44, 1 less 43, 1 less 42, 1 less 41, and 1 less 40. That's something perhaps you can practice counting backwards at any number to 100. Now, let's have a look at our 100 squares again, because we can see lots of patterns, and you had a go of this the other day in your maths. So in this picture, we're counting in twos. And every time we count in twos, every time we come to a 2 number, we're colouring it in. 2, 4, so it's 2 more. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and so on. We go from 84, 86, 88, 80 and 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. And can you see the patterns? Look, all of these numbers are coloured in. And if we have a look at these numbers, if you look at the ones number, you've got a 2 and 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 a 2. If we look at the ones number here, they are 4s. They're all 4s. If we look at the ones number here, they're all 6s. If we look at the numbers here, they're all 8s in the ones. Look, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. And if we look here, they're all 0s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, or a 0 in the ones. Amazing patterns. Perhaps you could have a go at doing that again. And then if we look at this 100 square, we're counting this time in 5s and 10s. So we're colouring in every one. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Can you see the pattern as we're going? 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. You look at all of these numbers. What's the ones number in all of these? That's right, it's a 5. Every number with a 5 at the end of it. And if you look at the ones numbers here, there's a 0 behind it. And if we just looked at that, that's counting in 10s, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Lots and lots of patterns in our number squares. Right, let's have a go at our guided practice. So we've got to complete the number patterns. We've got to look at what's happening at the numbers. Are they getting greater? Are they going smaller? Are they going up in 1s? Are they going up in 2s or 5s? Let's have a look. So let's read the numbers together, and then we'll see if we can fill in the blank ones with no numbers on. So we're starting here. We always start at the left and go across. 52. Read it with me. 52, 54, 56. Okay, so are these numbers getting greater or smaller? That's right, they're getting greater. They're more. So it's more, more. How many more? How many more between 52 to 54, 54 to 56, 52? How many? So we're doing 2 more. 2 more. So we're counting in 2s. Well done. So let's see if we can fill in the blank pieces of paper. 52, 54, 56. That's right, 58. Now we'll know if we're right if 2 more and 58 is 60. 58, 60. Yes, so we've got 2 more, still counting 2 more. 60, 62. Well done. 64. Fabulous. Now let's look at B. So again, we're looking at the numbers. We've got to look across. Are these numbers getting bigger or smaller? Greater or less? So where do we start? We start at 59 and we end up at 53. So is that more or less? Well done, it's less. So these numbers are going down. Now, how many are they going down by between each number? Let's say the numbers together. 59, 58, 57, 56. So how many are they going down each time? That's right, they're going down 1 less. So it's 1 less, 1 less, 1 less. So let's start again and we'll see if we can fill in these blank ones. 59, 58, 57, 56. 1 less. 55, well done. 54, well done. 53, and if that's right, we've made the right choice. Well done. Let's have a look at these numbers now. We're going from left to right. We're looking at this number and this number. Are these numbers getting bigger or are they getting smaller? So we start at 20 and we end up at 50. Are they getting larger or smaller, greater or less, more or less? They're getting bigger, aren't they? So from 20 up to 50 is greater. 50 is greater. So we're starting from the smallest to the greatest. Now, how many are we going up by? Let's read the numbers that we have first and we'll see if we can work what these are. 20, 25, 30. Ooh. How many between 20 and 25? How many between 25 and 30? Does that pattern remind you of anything? 20, 25, 30. Yes, well done. We're going 5 more. 5 more. We're counting in 5. So shall we see if we can fill in these blank pieces of paper? Here we go. 20, 25, 30, 35. Well done. What comes after 35? 40, 45. And we're right because that one is 5 more and it's 50. Well done. So let's have a look at these 3 questions in number 2. What number is 1 more than 47? There's 47. What's 1 more than 47? Nice and easy. 48. Well done. What number is 1 more than 59? Find 59. There it is. We want 1 more and it's 60. Well done. Last one says, what number is 1 less than 80? 1 less. So here's 80. We don't want to go more. We want to go less. So there's 80. We need to do 1 less. And we're going back 1. And it's 79. Well done. Have a go at worksheet 4, pages 90 to 91.